Para sa draw number 3,284, this is our third and final draw sa araw nito. Good luck still players, and now let's play small donati Muntinlupa City, the 9 p.m. draw.
Ulo 15.
Okay, first ball.
Uno.
Hoy!
Joker.
Ayos!
First number is number 39. Alamin ko naman natin ang susunod na winning number.
Pilado na yan.
Siyempre, bakit niyo uni? Ano yun eh.
40 mo. Para patay kung patay mga kubrador. Kabig na kabig.
Wala na yung griso eh. Yes, very good, very good.
Ayos!
Nice
Second winning number is number 35. Congratulations for today's
Nice one!
39 and 35.
Very good.